Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
How to balance NO2 plus H2 equal NH3 plus H2O, nitrogen dioxide plus hydrogen gas. Correct answer is to balance the chemical equation NO2 plus 3H2 equal NH3 plus 2H2O, we need to ensure that the number of atoms for each element is the same on both sides of the equation. By adjusting the coefficients of each compound, we can achieve this balance while obeying the law of conservation of mass. Each side of the equation should have one nitrogen atom, 6 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms to achieve equilibrium.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.